Hey YouTube, today we're going to try to restore the bumpers on this 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee using this Cerakote Trim Coat. It's a ceramic coating meant for plastics and bumpers and stuff like that. We're going to try to put this on and see what happens. The directions say to just go ahead and clean the surface and do it out of direct sunlight when the plastic is cool to the touch. So all I did was wash these bumpers down with Blue Dawn, and the Blue Dawn is supposed to get all the grease and oils and stuff off. And I'm gonna use these little patches. There are 10 little patches in here. Hopefully the 10 gets the front and the back bumper. If I have any left, I'll attempt to do the side trim and the door handles. So let's get to it. The instructions say to use gloves while you're doing this, and the package did come with some gloves. Didn't realize that, so I'd already put some gloves on, but it does come with some neoprene type gloves on the inside of the packaging. I'm just going to open this packet up, and here's the pad, and the instruction just said just put it on and have overlapping strokes, and to just keep a rag in case we have too much going over onto something else. I'm just rubbing it on. I'm gonna let it dry. So you should know it's taking out about 2 pads per bumper. This thing's extremely slick, so the pad tends to get away from you a little bit. But I'll show you what it's doing to the plastic in just a minute. You should be able to see the difference in the bumper, but where the actual finish is peeled off, is still peeled off, and doesn't look the best, but you can see the little bit of protection being added to the bumper. Here's where it's really working well. This is one door handle, and you can see the difference already. This here is what it's doing on the plastic trim on the back. You could see it's like restoring it almost to factory. Look at the difference between those two little pieces. Maybe you could see this. Take a quick look. You could see the difference right here on the back bumper, restored versus unrestored. All right, so here we have it completed. Door handles, the side of the vehicle, all the door handles, the trim up on the cowl. Front bumper is the only one that didn't come out the way I expected it to, because just simply it was just too damaged, like right here. But everything else was as expected. I'm going to peel the blue tape off the door handles that protected the paint, and then just let it dry up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.